So it's the day after Christmas. It's frigid out here, and I have a cold, which is the perfect time to get this thing up and running and get it to the shop so we can start putting it back together again. It's time for the Charger to get the attention she so desperately deserves. And you guys got a cold start out of it too. So she's been sitting out here completely ignored and neglected for the last year and a half or so. Last time we had it out, we shot a video with it. I beat it up, and on the way home the transmission started acting really bad, slipping. It actually just drives right through high gear, so I know that's got to be done. There's a lot of stuff well, I'll tell you what, let's get to the shop and I'll give you the rundown of what we're going to do with it. But first, let's try to get it started. I have the Charger on here. Turn the ignition on. Get some gas in the bowls. See what she's going to do. Almost. Oops. I should probably back the timing off a little bit. She's wanting to kick back. Things on boost. Alright, let that charge for a minute. I'm going to back the timing off just a hair. Distributor's locked out. I had it locked out at like 34, I think it was. That's where she seemed to be the happiest. And it's been a long time. Okay. Alright, let's pause for a few minutes while this battery charges up some. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes charging. Let's see what it's going to do. You know, I shouldn't have left the ignition on. I could have fired the points on this thing. Alright, let's see. I don't know if the accelerator pump is working. Power steering pumps making a racket. We're punching ATS. Pump this all up and we'll get it to the shop. Slipping like crazy and the throttle sticks a little bit, but I think we'll be able to make it to the shop, so let's give it a shot. It don't run bad, but the tranny definitely needs work. First gear and second gear is okay, but high gear just runs away. So here's the tentative plan with this car. We have our friends from D&D Speed Shop, Dan and Danny. And we told them if they want to, with this coming power tour, which will be in June this year, that we would have a car for them. If they wanted to take it, we'd have this car ready to go for them. Whether or not that's going to happen, I don't know. That's up to them. But we're going to have the car ready either way. So here's what we're doing with this thing. The basic setup, the engine, the tune, the exhaust, everything is perfect. There's nothing on this car that I'd want to change, or it's exactly the way I want it to be. But it's rough. We first put this car together about 10 years ago. It was a Katrina flood car. We've already done videos on this. So we slammed it together to get it running, used it for a little while, and it's been parked ever since. And now we're going to go back and fix all of the things that we glossed over the first time around. The most important of which is, come around to this side. This quarter panel. So the body on this car is rust free. I mean, it's solid all the way around. But the car was hit at some point and the frame rail is buckled right here. So now I've already talked to people. When we first started with this car, I talked to people about putting on a frame machine and straightening it. And the general consensus was, even if we do that, we're going to have to cut the quarter and so on and so forth. So the way we're going to go about this is we're going to cut the frame rail, straighten it, and then see what we have to do to get this quarter as straight as possible, because it is rust free. So if we can get this panel to work, also it's not as easy as just pulling the frame on this, because all of the metal around the frame, like for instance this section between the frame rail and the wheelhouse, around the trunk cutout, you know, the well in the trunk, it's all crunched. So just cutting or just straightening the frame rail itself is only part of the picture. There's a lot of structural from here around to the back of the car that's going to have to be also manipulated. So, but that's our big thing with this. I'd like to paint this car. I see it in gold. I mean, it looks good in flat black. Obviously, the primary's shot now. But I see this car in gold for some reason. And I think if this comes out acceptable, I think we're going to try to shoot it as well. But other than that, we're going to rebuild the transmission and just freshen everything. Get all little, the brake lights are a little sketchy, so we got to fix that. A lot of our gauges don't work, so we have to fix those. It's just going to be an ongoing project for the next couple of few months. And we'll finally get this thing to where she's supposed to be. It's a fantastic road car. It's perfect. It's got a 323 gear. It's got a very slight converter in it, but it just motors down the road 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. It's perfection. It feels exactly and acts exactly like you want a muscle car to act. It's perfect. So now we're going to just polish the turd, make it presentable. So that's it for now. I'm going to go home, take some NyQuil, and chill. And I'll see you tomorrow.